Hey, it's Tom, and today we're going to talk about useState, probably the most popular React hook. Why it's so popular? Because it allows us to create a stateful component, which are still function components. So in the past, when you wanted to create a stateful component, you had to create a class component. And not everyone is a big fan of classes, so right now we can still use our loved functions and have stateful components. So let's jump to the code. Okay, so right here we have a very simple component. It's all built in our base React project. If you want to know more about this base project, you can click link somewhere here, and there is a link to a video in which I built this project from scratch. But in general, it's just a very simple React app. So we have a stateless React component. If we press this button, nothing really happens, but we would like to have a state which is being tracked, and because we don't have a two-way data binding in React for free, the easiest way to do this is to use state. And we don't want to create a class components, so we will just use useState hook, and we'll still keep our function component. Okay, so let's start working on that. At first, we need to import useState from React. And then we will change this const to an array of consts. So it will be count and set count. It will be equals to useState 0. Okay, a lot of things happened here, so let me explain you them. Right here, we have an array of consts, and the first object here is the state, is the value of the state, and the second is a function which we have to call if we want to update this state. Those two objects are returned in an array from a useState method, and we use array destructuring, which is available in JavaScript, to create two consts from the returned array. And right here we call useState, and we provide only one parameter. So this one parameter is a default value. So at the first run of this component, this value will be assigned to our state. And every update of the state will cause the React will know that the state has changed and will re-render this component. So, okay, we have the state, we have the function to update the state, but we have to do this. So right here, we can add onClick, which will be equal to, you can use arrow function, set count, and we will provide here a new value. So our new value will be equal to count plus 1. Okay. Looks like it should work right now. Yeah, it's working. So every time we press the button, we call the setCount function and provide the value that is incremented by 1, comparing to the current value of the state. And our useState, through this setCount function, will update the state. React will know that the state has changed and will re-render the whole component. So why useState is also better from traditional way of using state in class components? At first, because we don't have to provide an object to a state value. So if we have classes, we have only one state per component, and because of that, we have to provide an object to a particular state, which has a key and value. So all states that we want to track within one component has to be tracked in one state object. Right here, we can create as many states and update functions as we want. That helps with separating the logic and makes the debugging and programming much easier. And I think it's a good way to prevent from having a lot of errors caused by keeping all states in one object, in one dictionary of key and values. Okay, that's everything you should probably know about useState. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!